Time flies by really quickly, and before you know it, we're planning for the middle of January already. It feels like Christmas just happened and New Year's just happened, but now I'm preparing these pages for the week of January 11th through the 17th. I'm using a few things that you have seen before, especially the square stickers from Daiso and some stickers from GP Studio. So I'm just taking out the essentials, and a lot of people have been asking about the tweezers that I'm using. It is from Daiso at the nail art section. So first I'm going to make sections in my pages. So I'm dividing it per day, and what I'm going to do this week is divide the right side of the page per day as well. And please don't mind my little mistake there. It doesn't bother me, so I just left it to itself. So now I'm just marking the dates using these washi squares from Daiso, and I'm only using the brown, the yellow colors for today. So this is quite earthy toned, but with a little bit of gray as well. So the colors itself are minimalist. However, later I'm going to be using a few colorful things to spruce up this spread. So using the clear dot stickers from the GP Studio, I'm marking my upload days, but I'll be marking other things later. And then I took the washi dots from Daiso, and I'm just placing them on the right side of the page on that little sections there. And then I've pulled out this sheet of icon stickers that I have been really enjoying lately. I highly recommend schedule seals, which is what they call it if you buy it from Daiso. So schedule seals are just stickers, just in case that is what's on the packaging. So that is a good thing to buy, because for me, I'm really obsessed with schedule stickers that I have. I have two. One of them is functional, the other one isn't as functional. So here I'm layering several different washi stickers as well as the schedule stickers. I also put down that ring. It's not an engagement or anything, but I thought I'd use it for whenever I want to spend time with my husband in a special way. And there's the coffee one, which is super cute as well. So these are really tiny, and I had to really crop this video so you can see it. But I think that they are perfect for the size of the Hobonichi Weeks. So in the first section, I have my schedule, and then my upload days, as I have mentioned. So my schedules are always on the left side of the page. So when I'm scanning through, I always go left to right. And that means that that is the first thing that I will see when I open my Hobonichi. I'm also going to announce my Instagram live on January 12th, 12 noon Brisbane time. So my Instagram is paperjoyph. If you are unable to come, I will make sure to leave the video on my Instagram stories or TV, but I'll be posting it maybe a day later because I want to go through the footage first. So here I used the second schedule seals that I got from Daiso, and this one has this bear, and I really like the way it looks because the heart is over the word Friday, or FRI, and it just means that day is a very happy day, very special day. And now I'm gonna go through my right side of the page. So that little section is my daily goals. Now, not all of my goals are like very productive. Some of my goals, like here I have movie and coffee, because a part of my goal is to make sure that I maintain and nurture my relationships. If you haven't seen my goal setting video, I'll link that down below. So those are goals too. They seem like they're, just hanging out with friends is not a very big goal, but I realized that maintaining and nurturing relationships with other people is very important in terms of your well-being, general well-being, mental health, and just feeling really happy. So I highly recommend that sometimes in your goals, it's not all just productivity. Sometimes you have to just put in your me time or distressing time or hanging out time with friends. And these are the pages done. So it looks very busy now because this is the one that I planned in first, and I'm going to transfer that in my Hobonichi Cousin, which is going to be the next video on Monday. And these are the schedule seals that I used today, so that you can find them in Daiso if you would like. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.